Y'all, let's get into this. Y'all ready for this? Hold on, let me read this in the tone of BS. Me. Let's get it. Kim Kardashian calls Blac Chyna's attempt to disqualify the judge dishonest. Tells her to get over the court laws. First of all, let me just pause, because y'all know I like to give a good commentary. Kim, who are you to tell anybody that they need to get over their laws and not to take their constitutional and legal right to appeal something they thought wasn't fair? Did anybody tell you to get over your stuff when she was suing you? The nerve and all that. I don't like the way they talk to Blac Chyna like she is nothing, that she don't got no rights, like she just needs to shut up and roll over. I can't imagine with Blac Chyna how much you must be so angry from people that never respected you, used you, did whatever, and then want to act like you're disposable. But let's get into this BS, right? Kim Kardashian and her family have rushed the court to fight back against Blac Chyna's attempt to disqualify the judge who presided over the $300 million war. According to court documents obtained by Radar, Kim, along with her mother Kris and sisters Khloe and Kylie, called Chyna's recent move frivolous and dishonest. Now pause also, right? First of all, Kim, Kylie, they rushed back to court, right? They rushed back to court so they could get a soundbite and Radar online. Because when you accuse a judge of being biased toward the other party, and then the other party that won, and all these weird things happen, the court says, what are you talking about? They're a great man. Judge a liar and a con is a great man. Oh, this was all cap, and this was a soundbite, but let's get more into this. Really, yes, let's listen to the people that benefited from maybe said corruption. Oh, I thought there was actually said corruption. Anyway, recently, Chyna said the judge exhibited an undeniably hostile and extremely biased attitude toward her and her lawyer, Blac Chyna. Now, I just want to take this minute to be like, I told y'all so. I reported this last Thursday. I said a motion was going to be was filed on Friday. Y'all came, no, not y'all, but people came in my comments saying, you just be making up stuff. You gonna get sued. You lying. Well, baby, I heard you was talking ish. Here I go, because everything I said come to pass. Don't ever doubt my sources. Listen, I don't gotta lie to kick it. When it's a fan, when it's speculation, baby, I'm the first person to say this is all cap, but sit down, let me talk, right? But when I got sources, when people are telling me stuff and I know what's going on, baby, you just open your ears and listen to the truth that's coming. I hope y'all feel stupid for doubting me, but you know what? Okay, fine. I'll stop gloating. I know it's my favorite thing, but let's get into this, right? In their motion, Lynn accused the Kardashian-Jenner family of name-dropping Mark Zuckerberg as a former client of a private conference with the judge. Also, she argued the judge's attitude towards her changed after her mom, Tokyo Toni, made comments online during the trial. Now, again, this is Radar putting 20 on 10 because Lynn Chiani's complaint, I'm told, was actually really vast. They're picking because here's the thing, you throw everything in this kitchen sink. They're picking some of the most superficial claims she made, and they're spinning them to make them look like so dumb and cotton candy, when honestly, that's not what she said. She put in real legal jargon. She showed how basically the things the judge did was against protocol, it was against the court, and she's basically arguing it was against the law, basically. But let's get into that. I made another video about everything that she's saying. Go ahead and watch it. It's about the appeal. If you guys don't want to watch it, let me know. I'll make a new video. But yeah, anyway, right? They go on to say, in the Kardashian-Jenner motion, they argue that Chyna waited too late to file the motion. That is not true. What happens in the court case is you have to object during the trial, and it has to be preserved on the record. And then after the trial, you can file the motion. Lynn is arguing that she 100% preserved it for the record. And also, if there is anything that was not, it's because the judge would not come out of his chambers. And because of that, the court reporter could not record anything, and things could be not recorded on the record, which from what I understand is reversible error, right? Now, I am paraphrasing. This is all very loose. I might not have the exact order of the procedures, but I do know that Lynn Chyna is contending that there were things preserved on the record. let's get into it. They said Chyna's statement, a sworn declaration of disqualification, is a baseless effort to save face after losing a trial and is devoid of any legal basis to qualify Judge Alarcon from presiding over further matters in this action. While Chyna and her counsel, Blac Chyna, are understandably disappointed about the jury's defense verdict following an emotionally charged trial, their effort to make a scapegoat of Judge Alarcon is frivolous, dishonest, and deserving of sanctions. This is what the motion reads. Now, I do have to say this, guys, and let's be honest, right? I do have to say this. Who are you to have any weigh in? Who are you to have any weigh in? How are you pushing back? You don't need to defend the judge. The judge has people to defend them. The fact that they are now doing this lets me know they didn't do this for the court because it is falling on deaf ears. They literally did this on the judges. I'm sorry, they did this for a soundbite. What do you guys think? Seriously, right? Now get this. The family accused Chyna's lawyer of filing a motion to deflect blame for her own shortcomings at trial and generate further publicity for Chyna. In regard to Tokyo, the family said, Chyna and Chyna have both used social media to draw attention to themselves and this child. Chyna's mother did likewise, right? Chyna's mother also did likewise. They then go on to say, where is it? Chyna went so far as to request a reserved courtroom seat for her mother. After her first day of voir dire, Chyna's mother made threats against defendants and Judge Alarcon on social media. Again, ridiculous. The family explained the courthouse deputy sheriffs were put on notice and an agreement was made for Tokyo to not attend the trial. The motion demands Chyna's request for the judge be disqualified and be denied immediately. Listen, it was reported earlier this month that the jury sided with the family and ended up not awarding anything in a lengthy trial. And, you guys, honestly, I have to ask you, what do you think of this? I think it's a little ridiculous. I think it is very, very much dishonest, but what do you guys think?
Because I'll be honest with you, the reason they're even releasing this and not looking at Chyna as a joke is because they know she actually has a case. They know mama actually has a case. So now they're going on their big PR campaign. Let me tell y'all something I noticed about the Kardashians since the Ray J thing. When they're dead wrong and when they don't have anything to say, they shut up real quick. But when they think that they can finesse or they think they have any leg to stand on, they literally mobilize all their social media with the force and mightiness of Thor. Y'all know what I'm saying? And the fact that now they're coming out because they still want the public to believe that Chyna doesn't have a case and that nothing she does is ever going to be right. And they're just happy doing that. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, like I told y'all before, the Kardashians have a problem. And their name is Blac Chyna and Blac Chyna. Girl, you better go get your money, do what you can. Shut up. She better go do what she can because mama, Judgment Day is coming. And she got Kim shook. At least let me know what y'all think in the comments, all right? Bye.